Very good morning. Today our topic is connective tissue. In our previous lecture we have discussed about epithelial tissue and muscle tissue. Connective tissue, what is connective tissue? Means tissue which connects the various tissue and parts of our body. So what is connective tissue? This is a tissue that connects, जो कि जोड़ता है, separates and supports all other types of tissues in the body. So it is one of the major four basic types of tissues in our body, along with muscle tissue, epithelial tissue and nervous tissue. So the main function of connective tissue is to connect, separate and support all other types of tissues present in our body. It consists of, किस चीज से बनता है? It consists of cells surrounded by compartment of fluid. There is a kind of fluid which is present outside the cells of connective tissue, and that fluid, or you can say that matrix, is known as extracellular matrix or ECM. Okay, so extracellular matrix is present around the cells of connective tissue in order to provide various nutrition, to exchange electrolytes, ions, etc. So there are three types of fibers. Okay, तो तीन टाइप ऑफ फाइबर्स हैं जिन फाइबर्स से कनेक्टिव टिश्यू बनता है. Okay, there are three types of fibers from which this connective tissue is made of. So these three types of fibers are collagen fibers, elastic fibers and reticulate fibers. Collagen fiber is most widespread. Actually, the collagen fiber is found widespread. सबसे ज़्यादा ये collagen fiber ही मिलती है. So it is most widespread and it is made up of fibrous protein, which is known as collagen. It is made up of collagen protein. तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो है प्रोटीन कौन पाया जाता है हमारी बॉडी में? दैट इज कोलेजन. यानी ये कोलेजन जो आपकी फाइबर्स हैं वो किसकी बनती हैं? कोलेजन प्रोटीन की. These fibers are flexible and have high tensile strength. Okay, just like steel. Then an elastic fiber made up of elastin proteins. They form a network and can be stretched like a rubber. ये स्ट्रेच की जा सकती है क्योंकि इनमें फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगी. दैट मीन्स इट अलाउज आवर बॉडी एक्चुअली to perform various movements. Then the reticulate, it consists of collagen and glycoproteins. दो actually proteins से बना होता है, collagen protein and glycoproteins, and it forms a delicate network. So three types of fibers of connective tissues. Then the types of connective tissue. So on the basis of the arrangement of tissue, whether it is dense, less dense, regular, irregular, first is loose connective tissue. Means the cells are not highly compacted. वो इतने ज़्यादा densely compact नहीं होते एक दूसरे से. So loose connective tissue. It is present all over the body. It provides support and elasticity. They form means what do they do? They form subcutaneous layer under the skin. यानी जो हमारी स्किन है इसके अंदर जो लेयर है उसको बोलते हैं सबक्यूटेनियस लेयर. जैसे हमें स्वेटिंग वगैरह आती है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? जितना ज़्यादा पसीना आएगा उतना ज़्यादा फैट लेयर जो है वो डिप्लीट होगी. So they form subcutaneous layer under the skin along with adipose tissues attaching muscles and other structures to the skin. यानी स्किन में जो भी स्ट्रक्चर सेल टाइप्स जो अटैच्ड होते हैं वो सभी जो अटैचमेंट्स का जो रीजन है वो क्या है? लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. ओके, इट इज ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स: एरियोलर, adipose and reticular type of loose connective tissue. Areolar, it is present under the skin and support epithelium contains fibroblasts, mast cells, macrophages, etc. It supports organs present in abdominal cavity, fills space between muscle fibers and wraps around blood and lymph vessels. ये बड़ा important है. पूछेगा कि what wraps around, वो which connective tissue wraps around blood and lymph vessels? That is areolar type of loose connective tissue. Then adipose tissue, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने पहले पढ़ा इसके बारे में, fat tissue कह लीजिए इसको आप चाहे, okay, और fibroblast कह लो. So adipose tissue present under skin, it stores fat and it acts as shock absorber. जितनी ज़्यादा फैट लेयर होगी वो उतना अच्छे से वो शॉक को absorb कर सकता है. That means any physical damage, it protects our body from any physical damage or injury. So it acts as shock absorber and it helps in maintaining body temperature, protects kidney and back of the eye. And actually this adipose tissue is of two types, white adipose tissue and brown adipose tissue. और back of the eye हमारी आंखों का जो पिछला हिस्सा है वो, और जो हमने बात करी किडनी, यहाँ पे जो आपको adipose tissue मिलेगा इनके आसपास जो around adipose tissue मिलेगा, that is white adipose tissue. It is less dense and has low number of mitochondria. Okay. And another is brown adipose tissue. It is present in all the animals, and including infants, all the animals which are their habitats in the colder regions. यानी वहाँ पे जितनी ज़्यादा dense adipose layer होगी, यानी उतनी ज़्यादा वो colder ठंडे इलाकों में उतने ज़्यादा body temperature को वो regulate कर पाएंगे वो animals. So brown adipose tissue found in infants, polar bears, penguins, etc. और brown adipose tissue में means there are huge number of mitochondria. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नंबर रहेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा एटीपीज प्रोड्यूस होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी बॉडी को प्रोवाइड की जाएगी in order to survive in harsh cold conditions. Reticular fibers supports internal framework of organs such as liver, lymph nodes and spleen. So actually जैसे कि हमने बात करी कि ये बॉडी के वेरियस टिश्यूज को सपोर्ट भी करते हैं, सेपरेट भी करते हैं और कनेक्ट भी करते हैं. तो यहाँ हम लोगों ने पढ़ा लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, व्हाट इज लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, एंड दीज आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एंड वेयर दे आर प्रेजेंट, व्हाट डू दे डू and what are their various functions. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss more about this connective tissue. Thank you.